talk about mean, median, and mode. Mean, median, and mode. Let's just remember quickly. We might as well throw in range there and range. So mean, you're dealing with an average. So if someone says, what's the average on an exam that people had the following scores, you would add up the numbers and divide by the number of numbers. That's the mean. So 50 plus 60 plus 80 divided by 3. Now, there are times where they can give you the mean and ask you to find the number that is necessary to give you that mean. For example, you get 70% on a test, 80%, and then they say, what do you need to score in order to average an 85, right? So you would say divided by 3. So 70 plus 80 plus x divided by 3 is equal to 85. You add these two together, that's 150 plus x divided by 3 is equal to 85. So you're basically solving for x. You multiply the 85 by 3. So we have 85 by 3, that's 255. So 150 plus x is equal to 255. You subtract 150 from that, you get 105. So if you want to score an average of 85, if that's what you want your average to be at the end of the day, then you have a lot of work to do. You have to practically score 100% plus a 5% from extra credit. So you see, this helps you realize if you're supposed to average 85 in order to get a special gift from your parents, well, now you have a problem. You actually have to ask the teacher for extra credit. Okay, that's a side note. But the average, they can ask you to find what score you need to average, an 85. That's a classic example. So that's the mean. The median is like the middle number, right? The middle term of a set of numbers when they're lined up from the smallest to the largest is the median, okay? So if you have 1, 2, 7, 6, 8, first you line them up in order, and the median is the middle number, okay? So we have the median, which is the middle number. Then we have the mode, which is the number that occurs the most. That's the mode, the most frequent term in a set of numbers. The range, I would just put it as the highest, the upper, minus the lower. That's a range, right? So you might tell somebody something is in the ballpark of, $10 to $50, right? So the range in this case would be 50 minus 40. So there's mean, median, mode, and then the range is just an extra to keep in mind. That is one thing to keep in perspective, is knowing how to find mean, median, and mode. We're going to switch gears and look at another aspect of statistics and probability in the next video. Have a good day.